Hey guys, this is Brody. We're having a nerf
Here are the
war.
guns we're using. We're using this double barrel shotgun. I don't know what it's called. This long strike, zombie strike, long one. I don't know. Oh, Nerf ion fire with attachments and the retaliator, just the stock with the and the jolt. Yeah, and the
These
jolt.
are the bases. This is our base. That is the enemy base over there. Zoom on it. See? That's the enemy base.
Hey guys, I'm getting the camera ready. This is a picture of the enemy base. So we're just zooming in on the enemy base. And one sec. Okay, so are you guys ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1, nerf. The enemy's coming. My gun reloaded. Hope it is. Oh no. Our base just fell over. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Gotta get them. Oh no. My gun. They're right. As you can see, there's right about to shoot us. Oh no. My brother's about to shoot. I'm one-handing a long shot, guys. This is not easy. She's having a jolt, yeah. One sec. No, it's not. Such a whiny. Okay, I guess it is actually. Whatever. Guys, that's the end of our video, and please like.